Hello guys, how are you? My name is Abby, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to activate IDM for a lifetime. You don't have to pay a penny to use IDM for a lifetime. IDM ultimately allows the users to use IDM for 30 days. It's a trial period. Once the trial period is over, you need to buy it, and you just keep getting a message for registration, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate IDM for a lifetime, and you don't have to pay a penny to use that. So I have got two files right here. Two of them. This one is gonna install IDM in my PC, and this one has got three files that will allow you to use IDM for a lifetime. Alright, so I will just first install IDM in my computer. Let's do it. And make sure that your internet connection is disabled, alright? Because if your internet connection is on, then you will not be able to do it. So I'm just gonna go through the installation first. Alright guys, the installation is finished. Alright, now you see this folder right here. I'm gonna extract it. Extract here. Alright, this file has been extracted. Let's just get inside. So you see, I'm just already getting this message because I've already used IDM in my operating system for Google 30 days, right? So I'm getting this message here. Now what you have to do right now is you need to copy these three files. You need to copy these three files, and then paste them into your IDM file location. Let me just do that. Now I've copied them. I'm just gonna go to my desktop. And here is the IDM shortcut. And I'm just gonna go to the file location, and in this file location, I will just paste them. So guys, you need to paste these three files in this folder. So I'm just gonna paste them. Replace the files in the destination with this color. I need to continue. As you can see, the files will be replaced. Now my task is to press on this activate file. This file will basically will make some changes in your Windows registry, but it's not harmful. It's totally harmless. You just need to double click on it, and you will gonna get this message. Are you sure you want to continue? You need to press yes. So it has been integrated in your registry folder. So and now your task is complete. And from now on, you can use IDM for a lifetime without having to pay a penny. So my job is done here. Let's just so guys, that's what I wanted to show you. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.